Narada Prakriti Shrivas Kare Parihas Shuni Hase Mahaprabhu Jatani Jadas. Srivas Thakur was enjoying the mood of Narada Muni, and thus he made jokes. Narada Prakriti. So this is the energy, this is the one of the qualities of Narada Muni. He always tells jokes and tries to create problems. So that same mood, he's entertaining. Lord Chaitanya is smiling. Shune Hase Mahaprabhu. He began to smile. All the personal servants of Mahaprabhu began to smile. Then Lord Chaitanya said, in replying, Prabhu Kai Srivas Tomate Narada Sabhav. Aishvarya Bhave Tomate Ishvara Prabhav. Aishvarya Bhave Tomate Ishvara Bhav. So Lord Chaitanya spoke. Oh Srivas, your nature means your bhav, Narada Sabhav. Your Sabhav is like Narada Muni, who is a worshipper of Lord Narayan and Dasirati. It seems that the Aishvarya Bhav has had a great influence on you. You were totally influenced by Aishvarya Bhav and Ishvara Bhav of the Supreme Controller Vishnu.